All right, so we're going to try this bad boy out and see how she works. And this comes with a number of different, you get a number of different types of, to fine, to rough, so you've got all these different types of sandpaper that you can use depending on what the job is. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Check it out. So all you got to do is rip one off, just like that. And then you just, all you do is just Velcro. You don't have to do anything, really. You just set it on here like this. And it's on. Get it off, you go like that. Put it on. You just want to try to get it straight. Like that. And then that's ready to go. I'm ready to sand. Pretty cool, huh? This one's all done. And I got a bunch more left in here. So, we can do a lot of small jobs with this. So I think it's a pretty good little viable tool. All right, so here's my little sanding pad. And what I want to do is sand this little spot up here. So I just got to go like that, really. So this is good for like really hard to reach places. See that? Usually I'd have a vacuum cleaner to suck up all the extra stuff. But I think we're going to be pretty good with this. Just for those hard to reach places. Bam, done. And yeah, that's how you do it. This is nice and soft, look. So you can get a good squeeze on it. You see that? It's very soft. So yeah, this is a pretty good product. I highly recommend it. You guys should try it. Worked pretty good. Got some good sanding on that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out. And then when you're done, you can just set her back in there for storage. Bam.